welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a Sexyosas TV. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will be notified. So guys, today's video, it's all about this lovely hairstyle. If you want to know how it was done, please sit back and watch my video from the start to the end, and see you on my next video. Bye. Hello beauties, this is another lovely hairstyle from Sexyosas TV. I shove my hair into 3 parts, then I weave it backward, and I also do the same thing at the front, leaving the middle on weave. So guys, please don't forget to leave me a good comment, like my video please. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget also to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will be notified. That is the back. So all you need guys to get this hairstyle done, you need your weave on, your pin, gel if you want. So that is just it. You don't need needle and thread. You know, I don't really like needle and thread, but you can use needle and thread if you wish. But for this style, I don't need needle and thread. All I need is pin. So it was okay. So that is it guys. Please always show me love, help me. I'm just coming up, you know. So that is it guys. So at this middle I'm using gel, just little gel to slip it, you know. Not much because I don't really like gel on my hair, but I can't do without it. That is just the truth. Using gel on a virgin hair is very difficult, you know. So now I want to start my hair. So I'm using pin right now, you know. Sorry for not saying the back. I use pin to hold the wig, the hair to my natural hair, you know. Use the pin to hook it down. So I did the same thing all over. So it's a very simple something and it was very easy, you know. I just thought of it. You can also use needle if you want, needle and thread if you want, but you know, when you are going somewhere very fast, with this it is even more easy, you know. So doing this style, I think everything take me just 30 minutes. 30 minutes. It's very easy. If you are using needle, you know, doing it yourself, needle can also hurt you and it will take time. You have to thread the needle, you know. So it's something that I don't really like. So I do all my hair without needle and thread, but sometimes I do use needle and thread, you know. But for this style, it was very easy for me, just pinning the hair down to my natural hair. So it was okay and I really love this style. You see, it's very easy now, quick, very easy. So this is the back. After, I'm going to take a little from my natural hair, just use the heater or the stretcher to just put some to cover the back, So this, I did the same thing here. You can see the way I'm using the pin. Okay, it's very easy. It's something you can do yourself. You don't need to spend money when you need create something yourself. And this can last you as long as you want. So it's not as you are not a baby, so you don't play with your hair. If you want to go to bed, just use your hair net. Going somewhere, remove it and dress it the way you want. You are good to go. So that is it. You see, it's very easy, very cool. And I just had a little of my natural hair to cover the edge. I don't know. So that is it. So right now, the middle, I'm just trying to create a little bump there, to make it look different. So it's a different style. It's a very quick, simple, lovely, gorgeous style. Don't mind me, I play a lot. So that is it, guys. You just have to keep on wrapping it, So if you need more of that, you can add more hair. But if you doesn't need more, you don't need more, you can also use little as do it as you want, and so I just use little hair there. I'm about to wrap the middle now. I really love this hairstyle. Oh my god. So beautiful. You see, I've covered the purple. Yes, that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching my video. May God continue to bless you all. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. Thanks, guys. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will be notified. May God continue to bless you all for supporting me. May God continue to strengthen you all and give you all your heart desire. Thanks so much for always watching my video. Thanks. Bye.